We have a victim of the tornado. This guy's BMW is fucked. And we're walking. We're walking. We are walking. Look at the aftermath. Trees everywhere. We're running. Holy shit. Oh my god. This is frightening, to say the least, guys. We have a tree in the middle of the street, blocking traffic. This guy's car is fucked up. Bye-bye Ford Focus. Oh my god, this is like Jumanji. Britt, be careful! Holy shit. Trees are everywhere. This is crazy. Trees everywhere. Another tree down. We have another tree down. More trees. More trees. Ooh. Oh shit. The sign came down just right now. Bye bye Asian dry cleaning store. Got ripped off. Wow. Look at the aftermath. More trees down. That's it. That's it. Wow.